So you might be wondering, is Credit Captain here worth it for you? Well, there are a few things that you may want to learn or you may need to know first before actually getting. Now, basically, Credit Captain here is a credit repair service that uses AI to help clean up your credit report. Instead of manually going through your report line by line, it scans for possible errors like incorrect like payments, charge-offs, or duplicate accounts. It helps you dispute them automatically. Now, the whole point is to save you the time and stress of figuring it out on your own. So, in terms of how people feel about it, reviews are pretty mixed here. There are a few clear takeaways. Now, a lot of users like how fast and automated the process feels like. The system walks you through connecting your credit report, and then the AI gets to work fighting disputes, sending letters for you. Some even start seeing changes to their reports within a couple of months. Now, it's also a lot more affordable than traditional credit repair companies that charges hundreds of dollars for similar services. Now, if you're trying to boost your score without spending too much, that's a big plus. That said, there are some downsides here, so not all services are going to be perfect. So that you may want to know about specifically. So a few users will have mentioned that the dashboard doesn't always update quickly or that the results take longer than expected. Others had issues with refunds or cancellations, saying it wasn't as smooth as they hope. So it's not perfect. It's one of those tools where your experience can depend on how patient you are and how clean or complicated your credit history is. Now, when it comes to it's actually good for, well, Credit Captain is best for people dealing with small to medium credit issues. Maybe a few errors, mixed payments, or outdated accounts that need cleaning up. If your credit problem are more serious, like bankruptcies or legal judgments, or you'll probably need more specialized help here beyond the EA can do. So you might be wondering, is it worth it? Well, honestly, if you just want a quick, affordable way to fix minor credit report issues, Credit Captain can be really convenient option here. But if you expect overnight results or need heavy duty repair work, you might end up frustrated. So you may want to look for other services out there. But that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.